Welcome back. Well, if you, your shop, or organization are looking for a way to make a mold or maybe a prototype and you want a cost-effective way to do so, look no further than MAKEiT 3D. I'm here with Shelley, and tell you what, very impressed with this because, you know, Ivan Tapi, we've had him on the show a number of times, and he can't say enough good things about your system because it allows him to make a mold, do so effectively, and he can be nimble. He can change it without spending tens of thousands of dollars having somebody make a mold for him that might become obsolete. So this is a great way to make your molds, make your prototypes. Tell us a little bit about MAKEiT 3D.
Sure. We are a small business, but we're very innovative driven. So this is our new product. It's a large format 3D printer. Basically, what we have been working with car designers like Ivan, like Cody, Cassette. I'm sorry. And these people, they're small business, and they have a big need to make prototypes using 3D printing. Traditionally, the 3D printer has a square table, 12 by 12 inches, that's the size. Right. And then a lot of auto parts, they have all large size, plus they have one axis is much longer than the other side. So based on those kind of automotive specific needs, Solomon, which is the CEO and CTO of MAKEiT, and he designed this MAKEiT 2x4 large format 3D printers. So you can see behind you those big, huge parts, long parts, and here we have one which is just printed. Yeah. So, for example, this is also another example that we made 3D mold, just like Ivan's piece. And Cody, who is another designer, he actually did this glass fiber overlay. Yeah, and then he pulled it out of the 3D print mold, and there's his product.
That's amazing, you know, that he can do that.
That piece, so this large, huge piece, what do you call this at Ivan's booth?
Well, he has made a split rear window on the Corvette, and he actually puts glass in it, so it's a true split window.
Wow, that's terrific. And this is actually, we printed, I think, 50 hours around, and this only takes a little bit over one row of filaments. Yeah, so that is a very truly cost-effective way of making molds.
And you know, molds can be so expensive and take so much capital right out of your business. But if you have the way to make the mold yourself, and if you need to tweak it in, you know, weeks or months or years to come, you can do it with very little effort, and you're not recreating the wheel and breaking the bank.
Yes, exactly. And you can constantly change your design, improvements, right?
And one of the things I like about your new large format machine, not only do I like it, but SEMA does as well, you've received an award for it, is that it's really turnkey. I don't need any special electric outlet. I can plug it into the wall and I'm ready to go.
Yeah, the regular wall outlet is sufficient, and then also for there's no other hardware you need. Like this piece we didn't polish, but of course the car stylists and builders, they need to do some work on the surface, but it's good enough to start with and very low cost.
Well, you know, this is just one of the molds that you've made for Ivan's cars, you know, the split rear window, his wings, you've done those as well. And, you know, this really allows him to be nimble and compete with the others that are out there.
Yes, totally. Yeah, and we are so glad that we have this equipment available for SEMA builders, so they all can take advantage of this amazing equipment.
So amazing equipment, award-winning by SEMA, but really nice about it is it's easy to use as well. You can use software that's out there. You're up and running right away.
Yeah, the software is basically open source software named Cora. It's a slicing software. So as long as you have a CAD file designed, and then you use the Cora software to slice, and then you are ready to go. And also we have this machine. We have Octoprint as an interface, and we have an onboard camera there. So basically, you can use your smartphone to remotely control your printing. For example, you can go visit your customer and then talk about the new design you have, and you can pull out your phone and show to your customer, hey, look, this is how your product's going to look like.
Right.
Yeah.
Well, I tell you what, Shelley, this is really a game changer out there, especially for the smaller companies who want to make molds or maybe the first product out of the gate. And with that said, right now, I know you have to have the attention. All of our viewers out there wanting to be able to have that nimbleness, affordability, ease of use, and being able to make their own molds or prototypes. What's the best way for them to learn more about MAKEiT 3D?
Yeah, we have a website. It's www.makeit-3d.com, and they can always send us email. It's information@makeit-3d.com.
Easy enough. Shelley, thank you so much for being on.
Thank you so much, Bill.